Hello guys, this is Vijaya here welcoming you to Grey Edge. In this video, we will be going through the new and enhanced key feature of AutoCAD 2021, which are Trim and Extend command, Revision Cloud, Quick Measure, DWG History and XREF Compare. So let's begin with Trim and Extend command. To use Trim command, I'll type TR and press Enter key. In the previous versions of AutoCAD, when we used trim command, it used to prompt to select the boundary, and according to the boundary, the object used to get trimmed. But now when you select the object gets trimmed according to the next available boundary. It will work the same way with extend command too. So let's have a look at extend command. For extend command, I'll type EX and press Enter key. So here you can see that when I select the object gets extended to the next available boundary. So we are not selecting any boundary over here. This is because of quick mode. Quick mode is not a new feature in AutoCAD. AutoCAD had this feature for years, but it has become the default mode with 2021. If you don't want the quick mode to be the default one, you can change it by accessing trim or extend command and then select mode from command prompt window. Now select the mode that you want to set as a default mode. So let's go with standard. And now when you use trim or extend command, you need to select the boundary first, and according to the boundary the object will be trimmed. So you can see over here. Let's roll back to quick mode again. The mode for trim and extend can be even set by entering the command trim extend mode. Now in the command prompt window, it prompts to enter a new value for trim extend mode. Right now it is set as 0, as standard mode is set to the default mode. To set quick mode as a default mode, go with 1 and press Enter key. Now when we go with trim or extend, you can see it has set the quick mode as a default mode. So let's move now to Revision Cloud. For Revision Cloud, we'll go to Home tab, Draw panel and select Revision Cloud. Let's start creating Revision Cloud. So I'll click over here. Look at this now. It will automatically take the appropriate size for the arc length, and you will end up with a proper arc length for Revision Cloud. There's one more update with Revision Cloud with this version. For that, we'll open Properties window. When a Revision Cloud is selected, in the Properties palette, now it gets displayed as Revision Cloud as the object type instead of polyline. So I'll delete the Revision Cloud. The next enhanced feature is in Quick Measure. Quick Measure was introduced in the last version of AutoCAD. For Quick Measure, we'll go with Home tab, Utilities panel, Measure and select Quick Measure. For AutoCAD 2021, Autodesk has added a single click area feature that allows the user to get quick area and perimeter measurement using Quick Measure. Press Shift key and click on the area to select multiple bounded space to get the total area of the selected spaces. Let's move now to the next feature, which is DWG History. This file that is open right now is saved on my OneDrive account. When you have saved your file on the cloud account, then the drawing history will be saved, and this drawing history will be saved inside the current drawing file. It won't create a separate drawing file. When you open the drawing From the cloud account, you will get a pop-up window which will allow you to open the drawing history window. As we have already opened the file, we will go to View tab, History panel and select DWG History. That will open DWG History window. Here in the History Drawing window, it will display the previous versions of drawing. To compare the history between the current and previous version, select the file and click on this icon. And you can see now it is highlighting over here. Click on the setting button and it will show the legends for the differences. So the object highlighting in red color is not in the current drawing. The object which is highlighting in green is only in the current drawing. The object which are highlighting in gray doesn't have any differences. You can change the cloud color as well. When you click on next and previous, it zooms on that area and it displays it. Click on finish to exit the comparison mode. Here you can filter it according to the user. Right now there is only one user, so it is showing this. When you click on the filter by date, it will highlight the changes made on those dates as well. So now we'll be moving to the last command, that is XREF Compare. The file which is open right now have different XREF files in it. So I'll open XREF window. So you can see over here there are two XREF attached to it. So I'll select one of the XREF file, right click on it and go with open. And let's do some changes over here. So I'll copy this area and I'll delete this one. Let's save the file and close it. And when we come to the current file, you can see a pop-up window appears which says you can reload the particular file and you can compare the changes. If the pop-up window doesn't appear, you can go to external reference window, select the file, right click on it and then go with compare the recent changes. So here you can see, same as DWG history, it will show you the differences. You can click on the setting and you can see the legends. You can click on next, previous, so it will zoom the area and show the differences to you. Let's exit the mode. So these are the new and enhanced key features of AutoCAD 2021. Thank you for watching the video and giving us your precious time.